Hi guys, my name is Vineet. So in the last tutorial of data structure series, we talked about arrays and linked list. So as a part of this tutorial, we're going to talk about another interesting topic of data structure, that is stack. So let's start with the introduction of stack, and later on we'll start implementing the operations of stack. So let's get started with introduction of stack. So the stack is linear data structure. What it means? So a linear data structure have data element arranged in a sequential manner, and each member element is connected to its previous or its next element. And the second one is implemented on FILO principle. So what FILO is? First in, last out principle. So the element which you will be inserted first will be accessible last. In another word, the element which you will be inserting last will be accessible first. So the third one is insertion and deletion rules. So while inserting, you have to follow some rules. That is, your insertion will be applicable only from top. The same will be applicable on deletion also. When you're trying to take out any of the object from the stack, you have to take out from top itself. There is no any another way to take out objects from last or middle, or also there is no any way to insert element from last or from middle. You have to insert it from the top itself, right? And the last one is fundamental operations. So the first one is push, means this is the addition operation. When you are adding something in a stack, so that operation will be called as push operation. And the pop operation means when you want to delete something from stack. So we perform pop operation to delete something from stack. And the peek and top operation means when we want to get the top element of stack, that is called peek operation or top operation. This peek or top will return you the top elements of stack. So these are the introductory part of stack. In next tutorial, we'll start implementing the fundamental operation of stacks. So that's it from this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video.